Now, if you're concerned there's something wrong with your AED unit, there's a few simple things you can do. So to start with, just look at the display through the casing, and if it indicates there's a problem, then you need to check it out. So the first one might be an indication that there's a fault with the battery or with the pads, or it's just not ready. So open up the unit, and it's always a good idea when you open it up, if you have any of these issues, is just check a few things. So to start with, it might be just easier just to pull it out the case. Once you've got it out the case, you can just look, and if you have a pad indicator, it could be that the plug isn't in correctly. So push that in to make sure it's in firmly. If the pad indicator is also showing a fault, just check the cable as it's running down, pull the pads out, make sure there's no fault in the cable, just in case it's got damaged or nicked and there's an issue with it. And also check the pads themselves while you're there as well. If that's not working, if it's still showing there's an error with the pads, then it may well be there's a fault with the connection, or it may be there's a fault with the unit. So try another set of pads if you've got them. If not, phone and we can give some help on that. Another possible problem you can see could be the battery. If the battery is low, then you need to replace it. To remove the battery, just literally push down on this clip here. It is quite hard because it's designed to hold the battery in place even in uneven vibration conditions. So push that down, pull the battery out, and then you can put the new one back in. So if it's a fault with the battery and you've only had the battery for the AED unit for a short space of time, then that may well be you need to contact us and see whether there is possibly a fault with the battery. But generally speaking, there's not a lot else can go wrong with these. They're very, very reliable AED units. This iPad range is used widespread across all sorts of different sectors. They're very, very strong. They're very resistant to water, and they're resistant to dust. And also, you've got to be careful with AED units, but they are pretty tough cases and tough units, so you shouldn't have a problem. The other thing you can just check is the unit is working. That's always the thing to do, and with that, as you would with your weekly checks, push and hold and make sure it's functioning,
medical services
and then just push it down.
Shutting down.
So you're just making sure that's working. If you're pushing this button and nothing happens, yet you've got displays up here to show the battery is fine, that may indicate there's a problem. So if you did think there was a problem and there was a fault here, first check that the pads are connected correctly, then check that the battery is inserted properly, and also the battery is still functioning okay. And if you can, put replacements in. If not, telephone and ask, and we can help you out and guide you into ways of getting your AED up and running again.